Are you interested in buying a home but aren't quite sure about what your down payment options are? Maybe you aren't even sure how much you need for a down payment. Let's take a moment to review what the minimum down payment requirements are for various home loan types. Then I'm going to share with you various down payment options and where you might be able to get funds for a down payment. Minimum down payment for conventional home loans is 3%. That's right, 3%. Now here's the key. Not every lender across the country offers the 3% down conventional loan. So when you're talking with a lender and you think that a conventional loan is going to be the best option for you, you're going to want to stop and make sure that they do offer the 3% down conventional loan. The minimum down payment for FHA home loans is 3.5%. And when I say these percentages, that's 3.5% of the purchase price. So if it's a $200,000 house, 3.5% of $200,000 is $7,000. That's what the down payment would equate to in that type of scenario. And on a VA home loan, if you have served in the military, the National Guard, or the Reserves, there is no down payment required for VA home loans. Now, let's get into 5 different down payment options. First, saving money. This may be old-fashioned, but it works. And there is modern-day technology such as Mint or Acorn. These are apps that can help you save money. Do a little research into this area to find out what it's going to take to help you set up a system to save money for that down payment. Number 2, getting a gift from a relative. This is definitely a viable option. So many times when we're talking with our clients, especially first-time home buyers, we ask, have they spoken with their parents or grandparents or a relative that is in a position to be able to gift money? And is that even an option? A lot of times it is an option, and many times family members who have the money do want to contribute to help their family be able to buy a house. Now, keep in mind, if gifted funds is part of your scenario, your lender, depending on the loan program, is going to require certain things happen. Your family member will have to sign a gift letter indicating that they are giving you the money truly as a gift and it is not a loan. And depending on the loan program, the lender will advise you on how those funds should get to you and or the title and escrow company at close of escrow. So there's a little bit of detail that has to take place there, but just know your lender will be able to guide you through that if in fact they know that you're going to be getting gifted funds for your down payment and or closing costs. Number 3 is taking out a loan on your 401k. Now, taking out a loan isn't the same as actually liquidating your 401k. That's not what we're advocating, although some people do that, and those funds can be used as down payment. But in most cases, if you have a large 401k, depending on your plan and your plan administrator, think you can probably access about 50% of your money in your 401k. Now, many plans have a cap. 50% access up to maybe $50,000 or $75,000. So be sure to check with your plan administrator, but a lot of people don't realize that borrowing on your 401k is an acceptable down payment and closing cost resource when purchasing a home. Number 4, down payment assistance programs. Now, these exist on a variety of different levels all across the nation. Your community, your state, your city may have access to these, and talking to a local expert that focuses on down payment assistance will be helpful to you. There's pros and cons to any type of home loan. And when we get into down payment assistance grants, there might be some requirements that are important for you to know, but it doesn't change the fact that these are really incredible programs that do help people purchase homes who otherwise might not be able to purchase because of not having funds for a down payment. And number 5, with regard to options for down payment assistance, these can be investments that you have, so stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and potentially even cryptocurrency. And hey, this is a big thing right now in home lending because the lending guidelines are trying to catch up with this new way of investments, and people have lots of money in cryptocurrency. So if you're in a position where you do have money invested in cryptocurrency and you want to access those funds for down payment or closing costs when purchasing a home, be sure you're talking with your lender and they will walk you through the details on exactly what's going to be needed. The guidelines on cryptocurrency feel like they're changing almost every day. So again, be sure to talk with a lender that has experience in this. They can check the guidelines for the program that you're going to be using and be sure to set you up for success out of the gate. If you have other questions on how to use cryptocurrency to purchase a home, be sure to check out my video down below. So now you know 5 different down payment options for buying a home. Please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. I really do have a passion for home loan education, and I want you to be in the know, so please subscribe so you don't miss a thing. If you have any questions, please comment below. Until next time.